What is up everyone? That's right, Project October is happening now. Why do we call it Project October? Well, a very good friend of ours, he's having a birthday last week, but never mind, we're going to build it now and give it to him later. It's going to come in very soon, we don't have much time. So anyway, why are we building him a PC? So, you see, he started out a YouTube channel that's more on board gameplay tutorial sort of. It's in Chinese, but you can still check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description below. So, you see, he's doing a YouTube channel, which requires him to edit some video. So, he told me that streaming is around 30 minutes depending on how lag the laptop is. So, because that time I forgot that he was using a laptop to edit, so PC problem, and I keep forgetting because none of us is having this problem in this channel, and he said lol. So yep, we are gonna build him a PC. I'm gonna give it to him as his birthday gift.
Before that, this video is brought to you and funded by us and some of our closest friends. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and you will be supporting what we do. We have a Facebook page as well, so be sure to like the page. That's where all our stream will be happening.
Now, this build is not that kind of zero compromise build. Okay, today we are aiming for budget build, but you may wonder some of these parts here are not exactly budget. I mean, like 9400 with the RTX 2060 Super. Well, because I personally have some of the parts already, but I'm gonna let you guys figure out which part that I own yourself. So let us just go through every single part here to let you know what is his build. So this PC, he'll be rocking the i5 9400 and with a pairing up with a motherboard B365M from Gigabyte. The graphic card is going to be using the 2060 Super with RAM, 2 sticks of 8GB 3200 MHz RAM. I know this RAM is a bit overkill for this build, but you know it's somehow cheaper to get this in a bundle than, you know, buying 2 sticks of 2666. So we have an NVMe drive here, Western Digital, a hard disk Seagate Barracuda 1TB, and a Gigabyte P550 watts bronze, coming out with his cooler, Cooler Master AIO Master Liquid. Okay, and this case is a Micro ATX from Techware Forge M. So that's it. This is a budget build. Everything here is almost dirt cheap, but this build, I believe, will be able to let him edit videos for many years to come. So since we really don't have much time, in less than 5 hours he's going to be here. So the entire build, we are going to just time lapse it. So enjoy it. we managed to finish the build on time. So now all we have to do is wait for the guy to come here. In a few minutes, we'll be going to right the front door over there. That's right. And we will see that face of his. So what we do now? You wait. Oh, you're here. Come in, come in. Come in. Let's come in. That's right, this guy is here. And whatever you give us, it's on the table. It's on the table.
Go over.
Yes. Just unveil it yourself. Unveil it. Yes, except for the mouse, everything on this table is yours.
What
Yes, it's yours. It's yours. No, don't talk too much. It's yours. Hold on a second. Stop saying what the I have to censor out a lot. But yes, it's yours. So for the opening, ceremony, whatever, you can just do it now. That's all. That's right. This guy started out his YouTube channel around what, 3 months ago? Yes. Well, it
Yeah, how months? 3 months already, 3 months already. Awesome.
I'm speechless.
When this idea was proposed, we were speechless also.
Just give him a moment. Give him a moment.
Give me a moment. What the
This guy probably not thinking it's going to
Seriously?
Yes. White and black team. White and black.
I don't know what the response. Say thank you.
That's a good one. That's a good start.
Thanks for the present. Am I going to carry this by myself?
Yes.
It's okay, you can carry on. We can help you to follow the process, but yeah, you can carry on. Okay, so
We can carry to the car.
you want to know the specs, everything?
Okay.
Okay. Monitor, Full HD, 60 FPS. Desktop, Intel Core i5 9400K with a GPU of RTX 2060 Super and a RAM 2 sticks of DDR4, 3200 MHz. So basically that's the main spec, motherboard E365M. I don't think I'll understand any of that.
Okay, honestly, I'm not a very PC person. I have no idea what the what are you saying?
But yeah, it's going to be a very significant upgrade compared to your laptop. Is what you're supposed to say. What video editing took you like how many minutes? So before we end this video and anything else, we really need you to give up this thing. Because that's what everybody's waiting for. Yes.
Right here, right?
Ooh. Yes. And that's it. So I believe that's where we end the video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and this channel as well. Make sure you enable the notification button. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.